What do you see? What do you see? I see a rabbit. I see a rabbit.
I see a rabbit. I see a rabbit.
What do you see? What do you see? I see a monkey. I see a monkey.
Very good.
What do you see? What do you see? I see a zebra. I see a zebra. What do you see? What do you see? I see a tiger. I see a tiger.
Run! 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 Stop! Say!
What do you see? What do you see? I see a sunlight. I see a sunlight. You see? What do you see? I see a hippo. I see a hippo.
What do you see?
What do you see?
I see a lizard.
I see a lizard.
What do you see?
Lizard. What do you see? What do you see?
I
see a lion. I see a lion.
run! 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 Stop! Say! What do you see?
What do you see? I see a giraffe. I see a giraffe.
What do you see?
What do you see? I see an elephant. I see an elephant.
What do you see?
What do you see? I see a kangaroo. I see a kangaroo.
What do
You see? What do you see? I see crocodile. I see crocodile.
Run! 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 Stop! Say! One more time!
Hello, what's your name? What's your name?
My name is Tom.
Yeah, hello Tom. How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Oh, you're 6 years old. And tell me, how are you today? How are you? Ah, you are good. Next one, where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Good. And tell me, who do you live with?
My family.
Yeah, who are they? My mother, my mommy.
Mommy,
Yes.
Daddy,
Yes.
my sister,
Yes.
my brother.
Brother? Okay. Next one. Do you have a pencil, Tom?
Pencil.
Yeah? Do you have a pencil? Yes or no? Pencil.
Yes.
No? You don't have? Oh, so you say, no, I don't.
No, I don't.
Okay, Tom. And tell me, what fruits do you like? What fruits? Fruits like apples or watermelons? What do you like?
Apple.
Oh, you like apples and
Watermelon.
watermelons and
Orange.
orange and do you like
Pineapple.
and pineapples. So Tom, do you like coconuts? Do you like coconuts? Do you like? Yes, okay. So tell me, what color is the watermelon? It's green and red. Okay, it's green and red. Tom, what colors do you like?
Blue and red.
Ah, you like blue and red. And tell me, what animals do you like? Animals like elephants or monkeys. What do you like?
It's a monkey.
Oh, so you can say I like
Monkey.
monkeys and snake. Okay. Do you like elephants?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So tell me, what color is the elephants?
Gray.
It's gray. Okay, thank you, Tom. Yes, Tom?
It's a monkey. It's a brown and black. I like it monkey.
Very good.
It's a tiger. It is a orange and black. I don't like a tiger.
Well done.
It's a giraffe.
A giraffe?
Is
Is this a giraffe, Tom?
It's a zebra.
Yeah, it's a zebra.
It's a black and black.
Yes?
I like a zebra.
Okay, you like zebras.
It's a rabbit. It's a gray and black. I like rabbits.
Very good, Tom.
It's a snake. It is a green and yellow and brown. I like snake.
Very good, Tom. You're well done.
It's a hippo. It is a pink. I like a hippo.
Good job.
It's a lion. It's a orange and brown. I don't like a lion.
Good job, Tom. Ali,
It's a lizard. It's a green. I don't know a lizard.
good, very good, Tom. Thank you.
Chúc mừng bạn Thơm đã hoàn thành bài kiểm tra của mình con nhé.